Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw helical bevel gears in Solidworks. Let's see how to make this helical bevel gears. First of all, we make a new file with Solidworks software. We choose right plane this time and sketch, and then we need to uh, use the normal to option. uh, first time First we choose a line option, a line command. First the vertical, then horizontal, and vertical and horizontal and vertical and then horizontal, and we make another one vertical, and we choose the second, the arc with double time. We make to the mouse cursor, and we need to draw like this, and then with end up we need to dimension. First we choose dimension, this time the 45 mm, and the length is 163 mm. It looks like this, and then we need to give all the dimension. First, this is the 32 mm, and then we need to this to this, and it's about 80 mm. That's okay. Make dimension, it will be realigned after that. This is to 112 mm, sorry, 102 mm. Then um, another one, this to this, um, this point, and then this point is about sorry, it's about 112 mm. Yes, 112 mm. And then we need to height. um, this height is about this point, and the origin point is for 39 mm. Yes, and then this to point, the origin point is 38 mm, just 1 mm less than from before line. And then this height is about 36 mm, and this about 32.5 mm. We need to 32.5 mm. Yes, uh, we need to just, it's about 5 mm. Yes, you can see the drawing is fully defined. Yes, you can see it's fully defined. Then we use to the exit sketch, and then use a revolve pose command. It's about the center axis of rotation is center line, I mean the bottom line. It looks like this. uh, we finish the first part. Then we need to draw the helical shape. First we need to make a drawing with the, first we take the plane and the normal sketch tool and normal tool. Then we need to make a circle. Outer circle is about 170 mm diameter. Inner circle is 100 mm. Yes. Then we need to make a center line and then exit. We use a center arc, 3-point center arc, from the top to and bottom bottom circle. It looks like this, and we need to put a radius as a 65 mm. we use a smart dimension, option, and we need 65 mm, and then we need to the length between the center point, distance between the center point from top to center point is 6 mm. It's because of my system is getting slow. And then bottom to the center line is about 15 mm. Yes. uh, Now we going to make a mirror command. Then first select the object and then the mirror about the center line. Yes. And then we need to trim option. I'm using a power trim. I just drag about the trimming part. Yes. Now we are going to circular pattern. Yes, circular pattern. First we select the object, first, second and third, three object, and then we make the 360-degree, and the number of is 8. Yes. Now we are going to we finish the first step, and then we need to the trim unwanted parts. We use the power trim. Yes, my system is getting slower than before, so yeah, just trim option. Yes, we are trimmed it and exit sketch. And then we need to make a plane from that point. Yes, about 45 mm, and the sketch option, and the select convert entities. We select sketch 2. You can see the sketch 2 is the select entities, and you can see the plane from that point before plane. Yes, we need to uh, rotate on 15-degree. Yes, you can see the rotate option, and then scale entities because of reduce the size. It's about we again select the all arcs and scale about center point, and then 0.75. Yes, and then hide the plane, and again we need to make another plane from that origin plane. Yes, we need to 95 mm, and then select plane, sketch, and normal to the convert entities. Again select the uh, first sketch 2 and click. Yes, you can see the third diagram, third part. And then we need to rotate option, select all the arcs and the center point, and this time we use 30-degree, but we need to this direction, so we put into the minus 30-degree. This drawing is need to be scale option is about 0.5. Then we put into the 0.5, and then the hide the third plane. You can see three various angular drawings. Now we are going to use a loft boss base. This command, we can choose the point, the second point, and then you can see the preview, and then yes, this point you can see the helical bevel gear. Yes, this is not exact value of the helical gears. Now I'm only saying about the process of and the steps to procedure to how to use the loft base option in SolidWorks. You can put the another dimensions as you want the perfect dimensions. Now I'm only saying about the steps to make a helical bevel gear in SolidWorks. Yes, the next we choose this plane and sketch 2, then we use the circular option. Yes, the 72 diameter. Yes, 72 yes, you can see the exact fit into the drawing. And then we use a rectangular option. Before that we need to center line. Yes, center rectangle. We you can draw over the circle, or else you can align with the vertical option. Yes, you can dimension with the length is 10 and then you can use the center point, and then the center line is aligned with a vertical option. Vertical relation, yes. And then you can put into the dimension with the top two center point. I mean the center origin is about 41 you can use a small dimension. Yes, 41 yes. You can finish sketch and then use the extrude command. You can select the form. Yes, sketch. It's about 48 yes. You can use the circular pattern. Select the feature pattern. Then you can select any circle we choose before that the circle as parameters. Yeah. Yes, my system is getting slow. Yes, yeah, you can see the preview of the pattern. We put in the 13 numbers of the gears. Yes, now you can see the finish finishing part of helical bevel gear. um, to be honest, there is no exact value about this drawing. It's only the procedure. Thanks for watching. Thank you.